Out here at a gas station that I have been wanting to check out for a while, just off the beaten highway. Let's go check out this abandoned beauty. That's what I was gonna say, it looks kind of like they're working on it. Maybe that's why the door is down.
Looks like a home.
Just all open.
Looks like this ceiling might have used. Oh, cool, it's gas pumps.
Yeah, it is. Old shed. It's kind of cool. Nothing behind it.
Look at that. It's the whole freaking thing.
That's kind of cool.
I know, they just put it back here. Doors.
Oh, they're definitely like restoring this. They have to be. Maybe. I don't know.
I know, that scared me first time I saw it. The door was opening, I was like, oh shit.
These are the pumps they decided to keep outside, so I guess those ones we seen earlier were a little older. Check inside here. Look at that. This is cool.
Wow, man, someone came and went crazy on them. They left one unbroken. No, that's a thing. I need a sink.
So this is where you used to get your coffee, a little coffee station. This could have been the hot food over here. This is the back room. And this right here is the cooler. You can make some good scary stuff in here. I finally got to see and check out this gas station. It's cool to do stuff when you wanted to do it forever. The old zigzag door sign. Here at Aunt Andre's Chicken Coop. It looks like they have converted this old gas station to a chicken coop? Question mark? So look in the windows. See up here in the window. Oh, it looks like they're renovating something. There's a bunch of stuff on the ground. That's cool.
A restaurant?
Like,
Or like a thrift store?
like a bunch of stuff. I think it is a thrift store. There's like a thing with the tags on it.
Oh, that's cool. Dude, I would live
It
here
is
so
cool.
fast.
Out here in the middle of nowhere.
Oh.
This is the Merle something Anderson?
Yeah.
Yeah, Merle Anderson Bridge.
What? This can't be. This can't be that. Your saw game is always like,
Chicken and waffles. Let's go up under this bridge. It's So we can get the whole full adventureness. You can just like see a horse carriage coming through here. Not a far drop, so no need to be scared. Second abandoned gas station of the day. Let's go check it out. Got the gas pumps over there with the 2 lights to make sure you can see at night in this abandoned middle of nowhere town. See some food warmers. See a drink station over there. Unfortunately, so far, it doesn't look like we're getting in this one. It's pretty good. Barred. It's got the lock on it. Somebody's been out here enjoying some cold brews.
You see the table and chairs?
Not that these ones are way dirtier. I guess you can maybe if you get up close. I don't know if you can see right there, but I think that's a folded tire. Oh, both of these are folded.
It's sitting on tires.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I wonder what's in here.
It's right on the side of that gas station. Look at all this stuff. The stuff you find in the middle of nowhere. It's just a random gas station. I'm trying to make my way to a race car looking. Oh, yep, right over here. Lost the time. The 5K car. It's even got like, look at this. That's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Just lost the time, both of these. And the amount of tires that are out here is insane. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce the name of where we're at. I think it's Tribby. But I definitely know we are at an abandoned school. So let's go take a look. Look at these windows, how they have like the, I don't even know what you would call that, holographic look. Oh, is this some graffiti? People have been in here.
There's a brick path. Wow, cool. What's the auditorium?
Some teeter-totters. No seat though, you can sit on the bar. Here is the edge of the property in the stone. You see the school over there, you got a long grass way, then you got the stone, and then you got forest. It's like a dungeon to this school. It's caved in, kind of spooky. All the settings for a haunted school. See this little, well, I guess where there was a staircase right there. They've cemented all entryways and windows. Truly lost to time. What is this? Doesn't have any titles or any little notification marks. But it's definitely abandoned. Back in the school. Sorry if I'm shaking. It is definitely chilly out here. And I chose to wear shorts.
Oh my god. That's really old water.
Shoot.
I would love to know the story of this. And I also love that about your old
Farm stand.